Okay, now the final way of dancing, the way of a couple dancing together is AA. So let's put the moves up on the board. We know that the first move and the last move are A. So we got A, and therefore the second move must be B, and the third move must be B as well. So what we have is A, B, B, A. ABBA, Dancing Queen and all that. When is it appropriate for somebody to dance AA? It's most appropriate, and this is something which many of us have experienced, and we experience it all the time, is that when person A is in a sulk. Well, there goes the Dancing with Strangers. I think you know what it is, but anyway. In a sulk. Person B is therefore the person who can bring them out of the sulk. Why is the person in the sulk? Because person A is seeking approval. They want to know that person B, who is mummy, cares. Or shows it. So, here's a typical interaction with an AA, is little sulking boy. You should sit in the corner. And mummy looks over and he says, it's not fair. Mummy says, what's wrong? He doesn't do anything. Then mummy says, is it because your sister was nasty to you? He goes, yes, that's why. A, B, B, A. The precondition of this, notice that there was a precondition for this. In both B and BA, the precondition was that person A was in need. BB, the precondition was that person A was in want. In AA, the precondition is that person A is in a sulk. That's not really that's not really helpful within the context of sexually how it is. So how do we best describe the state that this AA person would be in? It's like, what they're really doing is they're acting out a little drama. They act out a little drama, and that little drama prompts person B to respond. So they act out the drama. Person B is the one who can meet the need and provide the approval. So person B in this instance is the audience. But what they've got to do, they've got to guess what's really going on. So what's actually going on here in an AA interaction is something that we're all really familiar with, and it's the game of charades. How does the game of charades go? The person that's acting it out will, for example, they'll start off by going, film. And then the audience respond by saying, film. So, film, A, B. Then the audience guess. The 10 Commandments. No. To Catch a Thief. No. Monty Python and the Holy Grail. Yes. But the way that is done is that A has to keep acting out. He's acting out. So when the little child is in a sulk, mummy's got to keep guessing what it is that's going on based on his sulk. So therefore the sulk is the precursor. What he's looking for, of course, is mummy's approval. He wants to know that mummy cares. Show me you care. And how does she do that? She joins in the game. If mummy doesn't care, she says, listen, I have no time for your sulking, get into the car, we're going to the shops. No. This happens when mummy joins in with it and goes, what's wrong? And he's like, it's not fair. So he will start off by doing the sulk, and it's not fair. So mummy, he conveys his sulk. Mummy, indicates that she wants to care, that she wants to indicate that she cares, and she tries to guess. It's a game of charades. And in a game of charades, there is no spoken communication from the person who is seeking approval. They do not verbalize what it is that they're after. They convey it by acting it out. And in an AA relationship, that's exactly what happens. Somebody's acting it out, and then somebody is the one who gives approval. That's the nature of an AA relationship. And emotionally, that has got certain ramifications, as they all do. But now we're clear about this. The three things, let's just change it slightly then, are BA dancing happens because person A is in need. BB dancing happens because person A is in want. And in AA dancing, person A is seeking approval. These are the only three possible emotional agendas that can exist. And of course, it's not necessarily always the guy that's in need. It's not necessarily the woman, the guy that's always in want, or the guy that's always in approval. Those roles can switch. And we'll discuss why that is the case shortly. But now we're starting to unravel the bizarre, hidden world of what emotionally is happening between two human beings. And we can observe it right from the first moment they meet. And that's what we're going to look at now.